Matthew 6:33 is a verse from the Bible that says, "But seek first the kingdom of God, and his righteousness, and all these things will be added to you." This verse is part of Jesus' teaching in the Sermon on the Mount, where he instructs his followers not to worry about their basic needs of life, such as food and clothing. He assures them that God knows and cares for their needs, and that they should trust him to provide for them. Instead of being anxious about worldly things, Jesus tells them to focus on seeking God's kingdom and his righteousness, which means living according to God's will and values. He promises that if they do this, God will also give them everything else they need. Some of the main points of this verse are: God is our loving Father, who knows and provides for our needs. We should not be consumed by worry or greed, but trust God and be content with what we have. We should prioritize God's kingdom and his righteousness above everything else, and live in obedience and service to him. We should expect God's blessings and rewards when we seek him first.